The product in SN2, this is also one of the important and exceptional case in SN2. Generally in SN2, 1 degree is greater than 2 degree, then 3 degree. Of course, in this question, both are seems to be 1 degree. So 90% of students will confuse by saying this one. So in this case, this chlorine is directly attached with the pentyl. So because the bulkiness is there, this won't participate in the SN2. Whereas this one will participate in the reaction. So means answer will be directly, we can go with the B. In the exceptional cases, I already told you, vinyl and aryl cases. Vinyl halides and aryl halides also won't participate in the nucleophilic substitution reaction, nothing but SN2. And so this example which I gave you earlier, CH3, TH2Cl, neopentyl chloride, it seems to be 1 degree, but it won't participate in the SN2, one of the very, very important example which we need to know. Along with this vinyl and aryl halides, because sp2 carbon is there, CH2 double bond CHCl, so this won't participate, and as well as benzyl, so aryl halides. Benzyl chloride is, of course, it participates, it won't participate in the reaction. One of the important question, so be careful. Thank you.